I ended up getting the urge to start finding all of my fall and pre-fall decorations. Of course, they're mixed in with Halloween stuff. I was looking through these bins. I didn't know what was in what. And I finally found this because the big pumpkin was on the side. I thought, okay, that's probably the fall stuff. You really can't do anything by yourself when you have kids, especially when they're 3 years old and under. I have an 18-month-old, a 6-month-old, and a 4-year-old. He loves that Miss Rachel microphone. I really just wanted to keep him busy so I could go through this bin of stuff. So I found the things that I really want to start pre-fall decorating, and I'm going to end up starting after having breakfast. I'm going to end up starting in my bathroom. So the bathroom is one of the easier areas to clean and decorate because it's a small area. I can do it even if I only have like an hour to myself. But here I am just having breakfast. I ended up finishing my makeup. My kids are just like playing soccer, but I gotta eat something. I didn't show you guys what I'm eating, huh? So my husband finished making breakfast for us. I should probably add some oranges to this. We have oranges. Be careful, be careful. Did you slip?
Yeah.
I want to decorate for fall. So probably this bathroom is like a focus for like fall decorations, like back to school fall decorations. I'm using this little cute makeup bag for summer. Alright. Oh my gosh, I have makeup everywhere. My baby girl just like, she just like grabs my face and slides her fingers down. I didn't even know I had makeup. My husband told me I had makeup on my shorts. And this is not even the half of it, you guys. I'm just showing you this. Yeah, this is not eyelash glue, but my kids use this, or my 18-month-old. Okay, and then there's like makeup on the floor. This mess that I created in the bathroom was all me. It wasn't my kids. It was literally me just having 10 minutes to myself to try on new makeup, try on lip liner, try on skin tints, foundations. I made that mess and I was reorganizing, and now I'm just cleaning up my own mess. Honestly, as far as actually using like soap and stuff on the countertops and in the sink and wiping all the hardware down, that does need to be done on a regular basis. But all that stuff you saw was literally just mine, shopping for drugstore items, high-end makeup items. But now that that's all done, I'm moving on to using my Scrub Daddy and Comet on, I'm sorry, did I say that right? I said Comet scrub cleaner on the surfaces. This needs to be done on twice a week. I was going to say a weekly basis, but because I have small ones, it needs to be done like twice a week. And this is something that I actually just felt quite nervous to be spending so much time doing. I had already done my makeup that day, and I felt nervous to be taking time away from hanging out with my kids, and I was just cleaning. It did feel weird, but I realized like this is something that I have to actually show my kids that adults need to do every so often, every few days at least. It's normal, it's regular. I'm trying to show my kids it's normal, it's regular. I will bring them in here and show them what I did afterward. Also, you know, as a mom, it can be tough trying to decide what to do with quote unquote free time. But this is what I decided to do today. Okay, so this is all clean. This surface is all clean. I can actually put something here and here. About 95 days to Halloween. You know what? Actually, these might be good. To be honest, the kids' toothbrushes really don't leave the countertop, so I'm gonna put them back now that it's clean. I found this sign. This is the sign that was on the side there. Can't believe I don't have like that many decorations. How does this go? Why won't you take a nap? You won't even let me clean the bathroom alone. You guys. Why won't you? Mm-hmm. I love you. You love mommy? Say I love you, mommy. I'll take it. I love it. I love it. I'll take it. Fall is coming, and it's a talking piece for my kids. My kids can start expecting fall and expecting for the weather to change. I did like fall colored nails this time because I'm just there. I'm in the mood. And actually, I have been wanting to try this color for like a really long time, but I never did it because I never found the right one. Like a lot of times I just jump in with stuff and I get the effect that I want. But with this color, like it's my color, so I wanted to make sure it was gonna look good on me, if that makes sense. I will be getting this again. This is so pretty. I've been doing so much with my kids the last couple of days. This is like a few days vlog. I'm trying so hard to enjoy summer with my kids, but I'm also getting this feeling like I just want to usher in fall. I really do. I like cold weather a little bit more than I like hot weather. This project is so lovely. I love going through all my old decorations. I honestly don't even need that anymore. I had 2 of those and they hung on the wall. I'm just taking them apart and doing with the parts as I please. I'm gonna keep the sunflowers for sure. Those little parts I'm trashing. Don't know if I'm keeping this pumpkin, but the sunflowers are so cute. I can definitely repurpose those either here in the bathroom or maybe even the kitchen. These leaves, I you know I gotta keep these. These are so cute. I love them. Yeah, but I'm gonna take them to the kitchen because I want to redo like my coffee bar area, so that's what those will be for. Somehow between the hours of decorating to feed the baby and some beach toys have made their way to the countertop, but I felt like I could get into like the fall spirit by having like warm coffee, and this was a long time coming. I've been thinking about having warm coffee at home for a while. I have a coffee maker, you guys have seen it before, but in my mind it doesn't get as clean as I feel like it should, because you know there's all those crevices and I'm just afraid of like mold and water drying up in there. So I just went the old-fashioned way. I just started making, you know, I just started taking the old-fashioned grounds and making coffee. Coffee, chocolate, vanilla, yes. You guys know I had like a ton of these fall colored leaves that I wanted to use as decoration here. So let's go ahead and place them. I just want colder weather. I'm tired of it being hot, probably because I've been outside so much this summer. I sort of just put everything that I had in the kitchen together for you guys so you could really understand like what I'm trying to do. Does supper come before dinner or does dinner come before supper? I really don't know, but this is the one that comes before the other. It's cookies for myself. My kids already had a snack. Don't come for me.